Hey, what's up, guys? It's Pudge here, and I just got some new sets from Toys R Us just like 30 minutes ago. So this first one, I got the Lloyd Brickhead, and very nice. And then second off, I got another Brickhead. This is the Master Wu Brickhead. And then I got the Bus Station City set. Very nice. $50. Nice. And I was saving up I was waiting to get that set. And then for that, I got the limited edition Toys R Us exclusive Bricktober minifigure pack and 4 minifigures. This is the classic one, and then that's pretty much it. Then we just have the stuff. So see you guys.